Visual effect like moving the elements make your page more interesting. In this lesson, you will learn to scale and move the elements with the Css transformation. Let's continue. The transformations are usually triggered by the user actions. Transform, translate the repositions and the element horizontally or vertically. Providing one single value moves the element horizontally. Complete the code to translate the element 50px to the right, and when the element is active being the held down. That first of all, here is structure of transform, translate, and 50px. Transformation are not permanent changes. They are used to create the visual effect. When translate is used with the two values, and the visual effect moves the element both horizontal and vertical. Create a visual effect that moves the element 25px to the right and 10px down when the forward. So it has 20px rise. First we write the right and then second 10px. So here is a image. Translate the 50 and 20. Right side is a 50 and left side is 20. Both are positive. The positive values translate and the element to the right and down, but in the minus left and uh, up, here up 25, right is minus and so left is minus and the right is up, so it is a negative. Negative values translate and the element to the up left and up. So the here is a code. The HTML is a simple card. Here is a first of all has active and inactive. Here is a translate minus and minus 50. What is the result? Here is a horizontal card is not here, is just active. We are remove this active. So what is the result? So both are card. So here I copy this code, and where is the cards, then I copy paste, and here I write down active. Here is a sum like that. If minus minus, so it is a left and up, and here is a positive, then it is a right and down. Okay, so here is a minus minus created, so it is a left and up, so it is a like that. Then continue. So translate the what minus and 50. So first of all, minus is left, left, and 50 is positive, so it is down. And this declaration created visual. So moves the element 30px to the left and 50px down. Okay, then complete the declaration to move and the element 50px to the right and 100px up. So right is a positive value, up means negative, so negative value, so 100. Then the transfer the scale makes and the element bigger or smaller, preserving its the aspect ratio. The original size has a value of 1, so a value of 2 will double the width and height. 2.5 0.5 will be half. So it is a code. So like that is blue and yellow card. So here is a scale activated. So here is not written anything, so I think here is a I scale up, and I copy paste is a transfer scale of 1.5, so it is bigger, so it is bigger, and I yellow I write down here 0.7. It is smaller like that. We are increasing, so it is increases and increases smaller and smaller. Scale it is a computer declaration create the effect to reduce the dimension of an element to half their original size. So trans scale is a half, so 0.5 it is half. You can rotate the element with the transform rotate. Run the code and hold down on the element to rotate it 50 degrees clock. So it's rotating element, so you want to rotate 15 degrees, so we write down, copy paste to here and write down in the original div with a 15 degree. If I rotate the here 20, 25, so what's 25 here is right down. Now next transfer 90 degree, so it is this declaration rotate the clockwise. If positive, rotate the 20 degree, so rotate 20 degree. Negative values result in counter clockwise rotation. Run the code, press and hold to the see the effect. Minus is like negative, means is rotated. Minus is like anti-clockwise, so counter clockwise, counter clock, like that. If I write down this in yellow side, here is positive, so it is clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is clock and it is anti-clock. Now you understand. Next is the card one. It is clockwise, so it is degree and it is 90. So element rotate, counter clock and anti-clock minus. By default the rotation take place around the center of element. Use the transfer origin to change the point around which the rotation takes place. The transfer origin takes place horizontal and left. So here is a code. I think I write down in the card of B. So what is the value? So it is not affecting anything. Okay. Now it is set the card element, rotate degree and counter clock left. So rotate, transform, rotate, counter clock minus and transfer top left. So it will complete the declaration. Create the rotation shown in the image. Rotate minus 15 degree and transfer origin and top right. It is a clockwise, so and write down it is a 15-degree origin top right. So it's complete. You can apply combination of transforms into the element. So we can see this code like here. Scale is using so here is the translate 100 and rotate 70 degrees scale means it is larger, bigger. Sorry, it is a bigger. So all thing here is so translate complete the declaration to translate an element 20 px. So 20 minus, first of all it is a just 20. So right and left is not mentioned, so it is a 0. And 20 px up means minus 20. Rotate counterclock minus 45. Oh, so sorry. Rotate minus 45 degree. So my lesson is completed. Lesson take ways. Amazing. Let's summarize about what you have learned. The transform are used to create the visual effect involving movement. You can translate the scale and rotate element and transfer the property. In the next lesson, you will go to further continuous.